Russian River Crossing and Mark West Creek Crossing projects are seismic hazard mitigation projects that address the vulnerability of our pipeline to liquefaction and lateral spread. Liquefaction and lateral spread is something that happens when you've got saturated conditions, high groundwater, and then you get strong earth shaking. And when there is a strong earth shaking, it can cause the entire bank to slide toward the free face of the river or the creek or whatever it is and take whatever is embedded within it toward the river or the creek and cause failure of that infrastructure. I'm standing on our 48-inch Russian River cotati intertie, which was just replaced under seismic hazard mitigation projects for Russian River Crossing and Mark West Creek Crossing. This pipeline goes right underneath me and crosses the Russian River, and we replaced that pipeline under the river, and it goes all the way until the crossing of Mark West Creek. This pipeline crosses the Russian River at about 8 to 10 feet deep, but it ends up going much further away from the banks at depth so that it's not susceptible to that big block of earth moving toward the creek or the river. The construction costs came in at $10.9 million for the two projects. FEMA paid $5.8 million of that, and our water contractors paid the remaining $5.1 million. This project makes a difference to the community because it addresses the potential of seismic damage to our pipeline. And in the case that there is an earthquake, we can rest easy that water will continue to be transmitted from the heart of our water facilities to our population and our water customers. Sonoma Water is committed to investing into our aging infrastructure. Projects like these symbolize Sonoma Water's continued commitment towards secure and safe water.